children, welcome to class prep. I am Rashi Chakravarti and I am going to take your English class. We all know for coronavirus it is not possible to attend the classes in school, but don't feel sad because we are here to help you. This is a new way of learning. Hope you will all enjoy this very much. We all know you are coming from nursery classes and you have all learned the capital and small letter already. But since you are not practicing for a long time, here a little recap. In this whiteboard, I have already written all the small and capital letters. Capital A, capital B, small b, C, capital, small c. So what you have to do, you have to write all these capital letters and small letters separately in a copy. Just like this. Here I have written all the capital letters and here all the small letters. So we can call it a recap homework. Okay. So after learning all these letters, today we will learn how to form a word by mixing and joining all these letters, just like this. In this chart, we have mixed and joined all the letters and formed 3-letter word, 4-letter words, all are small little words. Just like A-N-T, and we all know what is an. A-P-P-L-E, apple, we all love to eat apple. B-A-T, bat, B-A-L-L, ball, we love to play with bat and ball. C-A-T, cat, cat catches mice. C-U-P, cup, this is a cup and we drink coffee or tea in this. D-O-G, dog, doll, D-O-L-L, doll, we all love to play with our favorite doll. E-G-G, egg, this is an egg, we all love to eat egg and egg make us strong. And E-Y-E, that is eye. This is my eyes and we all see through eyes. So today we learn from A to E how to make words with using these letters, joining these letters. So there a small homework too. Here you have to identify all this thing and you have to write the word here. The first letter and the last letter I have already written. You have to write the middle letter and you have to form the word. And today I am not going to tell what are these. You have to identify by your own and you have to write the word here. We see all these things in our home. We can see this in our bathroom, our kitchen. We get water from this. This we sleep on it. This one we wear it in our head. This we get cool air with this, and this one we keep juice and water in this. So this is your homework. You have to identify and you have to write the word here. So that is for today. We hope we will see you soon. Bye bye.